Hi lovelies, for today's video I'll be showing you how to make porridge beans, which I added vegetable leaf. Just watch till the end to see how I was able to make this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my videos. So for the first thing, I'll be going in with some water in my pot. Next I'll go in with my washed beans. And then I'll close my pot. I'll let this cook for some time before I'll add my next ingredient, and this is what we're having. Make sure your beans is well cooked but not done, like you should get, let me just say, half cooked before you can go in with your onion. Then I'll also be adding my seasoning cube to taste. Then I'll go in with my salt to also taste before adding my pepper. I'm using dry pepper for this, but if you have fresh pepper, it's the best. Let me not say it's the best, but I think fresh pepper would taste better. If you have fresh pepper, do it to use fresh pepper. So I added a little stew I had at home. It's totally optional, I can skip it. I just added it because I had it at home. And I'll close my pot and let my beans cook for some time. This is all I have in here. Beans do take time to cook, so make sure yours is well cooked. If the previous water you added before is not enough, do well to add more water. Now I'll go in with my palm oil. We're almost done with the meal. It's not hard to make. I just had to make the video short and sharp. After adding the palm oil, I let it cook for some time before adding my vegetable leaf. And this is a vegetable I'm using. Some persons don't add vegetable leaf to their porridge beans. It's totally optional. You can skip it. You can also decide to add scent leaf if you love scent leaf in your beans. If you also have any dry fish or any protein you wish to add to your beans, do it to add. This is just an easy meal you can do anytime, and it is pocket friendly. I'll just mix this before I turn off my gas. Like I would always say, when you're cooking your vegetable, you don't let it overcook. So I'm not letting it overcook. If you also notice your water is not enough, you can add more water. But if it's enough and you like it thick, you don't need to add any water to this. And that's all for our porridge beans. Let me know if you'll be trying this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of my amazing videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.